So this is the old crush that I replaced the other day, and as you know, there was railway sleepers right against here, a wall of them. Because of that, because the lower links sticked out a bit more, see top link bracket here, they were cut off, but I found them. So this one goes there, and this one goes there. So I'll re-weld these back onto it now, so the next person can actually move it about on the linkage. So I need a piece of pipe, and I found myself up on a hedge here. These are all old bits that were stripped out of an old milking parlour, so or milking byre it should be. So can't remember what these did, and those are the old cubicles that went either side. So I need a piece of pipe that's bent, so I'll have one of those. Okay. Another thing on this crush now, as see, this is the head yoke sort of part of it, and this side's good. It's pretty mint really, but this side's totally rotten for some reason. So I'm going to cut down the welds through here and cut this off. I'll take the piece I cut out of here and I'll lay it against here to see where I need to cut it on this bend to get it the same as that basically, and weld it onto there. So I'll crack on with that. As you can see, the floor of this crush is really nice, so that's alright. So that's it cut out now. Just need to cut a new piece and weld it in really. So the latches here that hold the door closed basically. To stop anything from jumping open, on the newer bait ones we have a flap here. So I've cut and drilled a piece of flat bar, and I'll cut the corners off it so it's a nice triangle shape. So go there, and you have to fold it out the way so you can actually open it. So this will stop it from jumping open and opening itself then. So this is a bit of a modification update to this and make it a bit safer.